What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box today? What's in the box? 1, 2, 3. Look and see. Oh, here's something clunking in the box. Look, it's our friend, the bee. Our friend, the bee. Hello. Have you been busy pollinating all the flowers? Pollinating just means it helps the flowers to grow and to spread. Oh, and he's been busy making some delicious honey. Thank you. I love honey. I'll have some later. Thank you, Mr. Bee. You want to do the song all about where you live, because your house is a hive. You live in a beehive. Where he wants to hide. So we're going to hide. We'll pretend that this is the beehive. And we say, here is the beehive. Where are the bees? Hiding inside where nobody sees. Watch and we'll see them come out of their hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.